Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm doing another IPSY glam bag review. I haven't opened this yet. This is the Halloween IPSY glam bag, so this should be so cool. So the bag is black with lips on it. And let's see what we have inside. We have Lottie Wing Woman, and it is liquid eyeliner. And then we have some luminizing primer from Camelina and Strobe. And the zipper is green, it's pretty cool. And then we have highlighter illuminer from Let's Bolt. Then we have some Daydreamer. It says for your dream cleanser come true. So this is a facial cleanser. It's not wanting to focus today. I will take a picture and post it at the end. And then we have some Tatcha skin cream. I love Tasha's little containers. So cute. And then there's the bag again. So it says, in our little card, it says, October 2021, Pretty Wicked. And then it says, bangs out, lipstick on. This month, embrace the unconventional, vampy lips, red shadows, pitch black manis, and you'll just vamp some more. And then it says, last minute Halloween plans. Do it yourself with these 3 easy makeups. And it's got Getting Twiggy with it, Ghostly Glam, and Fairy Queen. So it just gives you some ideas for your eyes. So maybe I can try some of these and post videos of them trying it, because I'm not very creative when it comes to makeup. I'm simple and, you know, not very much on how to do this. And I'm not very good at liquid eyeliner, but maybe this is different because it's not like, I don't know, we'll see. So there's the October IPSY glam bag. If there's any other videos you want to see me do, if there's any makeup trends you want to see me try, leave me a comment and I'll try them just for y'all. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll post pictures at the end of this video of this stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe, and you'll never miss a video. Sorry about my voice. I do have a medical condition where I had to have Botox. So I get it next week and I can't wait. Thanks for watching, guys.